This is Darshana Gauchan with your daily update for March 9th, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. As military tensions in the Middle East escalate, international oil prices have surged, leading to a sharp decline in Asian stock markets. Since Asian economies are highly dependent on crude oil imports, rising oil prices can directly impact corporate profits and the economy. South Korea's Kospi Composite slumped roughly 6%, while Japan's Nikkei 225 fell more than 5%. Taiwan's TAIEX lost 4.4%, Singapore's FTSE Straits Times Index shed over 2%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index dropped 1.4%. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.71 points or 0.17% to 425.69. Total trade volume was down, with 39,859 shares changing hands at a total value of 219.7 million real, or close to $55,000. On the main board, 2 stocks were up, led by Pestec Cambodia, while 2 stocks were also down, with MJQ Education as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering and Picasso City Garden were down, while JS Land stayed flat. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real stayed flat at 4,013 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index hovered around 99.37. Turning to global commodities, oil prices surged around 25% on Monday to their highest since mid-2022, with Brent on track for a record one-day gain. Brent crude futures climbed to a high of $119.50 US dollars per barrel, and US West Texas Intermediate to $119.48 US dollars a barrel. Furthermore, agricultural markets led by edible oils rose as they took their cue from oil prices due to the extensive use of vegetable oils in making biofuels. Gold prices fell as a stronger US dollar weighed on the greenback-priced bullion, while higher energy costs fueled inflation concerns and further dimmed the prospects for near-term reductions in interest rates. Spot gold shed 1.4% to $5,097.70 US dollars per ounce after falling more than 2% earlier in the session. US gold futures for April delivery lost 1% to $5,106 US dollars. Looking at the crypto market, Bitcoin tumbled below 66,000 US dollars as oil prices exploded. Bitcoin is lower by 2% and trading just below 66,000 US dollars. Ether and Solana are down closer to 1.4%. Additionally, the 20 millionth Bitcoin is anticipated to be mined sometime between March 9th and March 10th. This milestone signifies that approximately 95.2% of Bitcoin's maximum supply of 21 million coins will have been issued. The remaining 1 million Bitcoin are projected to be mined over the next 114 years. Moving on now to other business-related news. Retail oil prices in Cambodia have seen a sharp rise amid escalating conflict in the Middle East. The Ministry of Commerce issued a notice on March 8th announcing that retail fuel prices will be set as the following from March 8th to 10th. Regular gasoline costs 4,400 real per liter, while diesel costs 5,150 real per liter. Fuel prices are expected to be updated every 3 days. The Ministry of Labour and Vocational Training and the UK Skills Partnership have entered into a partnership to promote cooperation in human resources and skills development aimed at increasing workforce productivity and developing skills needed for emerging and potential economic sectors in Cambodia. An MOU on exchange and cooperation in technical and vocational education and training was signed on March 9th between the Cambodian Minister of Labour and Vocational Training and a representative from UK Skills Partnership. The Agricultural and Rural Development Bank reaffirmed its commitment to supporting and promoting the export of Cambodian rice to the Chinese market during a working meeting with China's state-owned company COFCO Grains in Beijing. The discussion focused on strengthening the production capacity and quality of Cambodian rice for export. That's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gauchan for B2B Asia News.